I got one too. So yeah, we're continuing up, leading up to Thanksgiving. The short, simple recipes that we could do, that just kind of enhance your meal a little bit. All right. So what we're doing today
we're in the enhancement game right now.
Enhancement. Haitian Picklies today. That's what's up.
Listen,
all right.
We married to the Haitian women.
We did.
We want to make sure that we represent the Haitian culture well, right? So Picklies goes on everything.
That's the name of the game today.
Everything.
You gotta mix the culture. Picklies and collard greens, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
Did I hear Haitian Picklies?
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did. Yes,
and are you Haitian?
Not by association.
Okay.
We gotta keep it clean here.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Wait, so you non-Haitians are trying to...
No.
No.
We actually going to make it.
No.
We actually going to make it.
Nah, without us?
Yes.
Okay. That was the plan, yeah.
First and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, they're not Haitian. How about that, number one? And number two, they're married to Haitian women. Okay? So you think...
We said that.
So here's what I want to say.
You think you would
Don't bring your racist self on this set.
Wait a minute!
Talking about I can't cook for other cultures. I'm not having this.
I didn't say you couldn't, but why would you when you have two resident?
They are taking all sorts of productive.
So you know what I'm gonna say? I'm not here for this.
Right. We out of here.
So
enjoy.
Wait.
No, we good. We good here. Peace out.
Leave now?
Peace out, my people.
First you don't invite us, now you gonna just leave.
I'm gonna go direct this one.
Wait.
How about that?
We have the peanut gallery.
All right, now we have the peanut. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. The Haitian wives are here, and we're taking over. We're taking over. So we're making picklies.
We're making Haitian Picklies.
From the Haitians.
From the Haitians. But picklies, for those of you who don't know, is what we put on everything. It's hot, spicy, and it just brings out the flavors in anything that you're eating.
Like Haitian women.
Oh my gosh.
We put it on everything.
This is gonna be all day.
I can't. I'm so sorry. Let me apologize here first because this is really untraditional, and yeah, we can't get rid of them. So as she was saying, this is Haitian Picklies. It's Picklies.
Picklies is basically a garnish that you could put on top of anything, especially your meats or your plantains, rice, any food. Some people even put it in their soup. But it had some spiciness, and it's really
some spiciness. It has a lot of spiciness. So let's put it this way: picklies is very hot. It can be very hot. So in my house, so my mom, she always made picklies in a jar, what have you. I don't really personally like a lot of spicy stuff. Believe it or not, coming from the Caribbean islands, family, whatever. I'm not. I really don't. I mean, I will you see Mr. Fantastic cries at onions, I cry when anything's hot. But
Hold up. You're not gonna talk about my man like that. All right?
Are you done?
You wanna be on Foods and Dudes? Let's go. Get the knife.
Really serious?
Let's go. I'm dead serious. Rite of passage, baby. Enjoy yourself.
Would you like to choose your knife?
Gladly. Wait.
Let me prepare it.
Right. Roll that sucker. Juicy.
Wait. See, I can do this.
I'm just giving you. I'm making sure.
Alright, we're done here.
We'll be back.
By the way, they've been here for 10 minutes and haven't cooked one day.
No. She can't get it out. Whoa. Okay.
Okay. We really don't practice knife safety here.
Sorry. Mr. Fantastic, Sean, he always cries every time he cuts onions. It's the most ridiculous thing in the world. I mean, it's like, get a life.
What are we slicing or just dicing?
What are we slicing? You slicing?
Dice them. Don't cheat.
Dice up.
You know what? I think?
I think Sean basically takes too long.
I do this all the time. This is not my first rodeo.
How many thumbs you had?
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, he doesn't like the way I cut.
She actually.
So.
She actually started with 6 fingers. That's why.
I did not start with 6 fingers. So look here. Not crying.
Not crying.
So this is a challenge, evidently.
I think
trying to challenge us because they don't think that we can stand.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done.
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, great. So have we met the challenge, gentlemen?
Look.
Not yet.
That's the difference between us and Sean. He tends to really take
Sean
his time with the
ends
onion.
up crying
So
all the
he
time,
takes-
and I'm not crying. I am not crying.
You need to take
This
that
is
long to
bullcrap.
do it.
This is special onions. Oh my god!
Not fair. Not fair.
Oh my god!
See, we
This is special. You did this on purpose. This is some lethal onions.
And they're out.
Cut!
Yo,
It's like we need a fire hose here.
yo, freaking Lucy
This is
and Ethel.
ridiculous.
Freaking Lucy and Ethel in here.
Needs to go away now.
Yeah, so shut up.
After you, my friend. After you.
Right.
Okay.
We don't even need onions. We don't even need onions. All right, let's go. Let's make these pickles. All right, so now that we got these shenanigans out the way, all right, so we're gonna start making the pickles. So now, what happens is after we finish all this, it just has to ferment in the refrigerator for how many days? I don't know. But
the longer
yes.
at least 2 days, but the longer you leave it in, the spicier, the hotter it gets over time. And if you think about it, pickles, its name comes from pique, which
Yes.
means hot,
which means
or
hot.
spicy.
So think
in
about
flavor.
something picking you. It's like picking your tongue. It's crazy. So my mom actually makes it for Sean for Fantastic and just leaves it in the refrigerator. No one else in the family will touch it, but it's all his because he likes spicy stuff. So now we're gonna
always
make
bring
it.
some here.
Yeah,
We
because I
love
know you
it.
like it. All right,
But
let's cut that.
the star of the show in a pickles is really the cabbage. You want at least 3/4 of your jar to be the cabbage. So here we're gonna split it up. I'm gonna cut the cabbage, and Trisha's gonna do the carrots. So you want at least 2 large carrots or multiple small ones.
Yeah.
But again, it's about 3/4 cabbage, and it's 3 cups of cabbage.
3 cups of cabbage.
And
cabbage.
2 large carrots.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do about 3 carrots because technically you want 2 big ones, but these aren't that big. So I'm gonna do about 3 carrots, and Marie's gonna do the same. So we're each gonna do a full recipe.
Right. And so for the cabbage, you're gonna want to slice it in half or into quarters, and then you're gonna just shred them in until you get your 3 cups.
Yeah, lumba 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 yeah, lumba 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 yeah, lumba 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 yeah, lumba lumba yeah. Alors la vie belle, la vie a fait des salons, autant non belle femme, autant les bloguer, caresser les, babillonner
The way my mom makes it, she just keeps peeling it. So after we get the skin off, just keep peeling it, and we have like
Y'all taking a long time. Y'all should just use this, man. Y'all
this
taking a long time.
is so
Come on,
long.
man. Come
But
on.
this is not what you do.
Get that stuff out of here. Get that stuff out of here. Y'all can't even handle the onions.
Wait,
Y'all gonna
did you
take,
really come in
y'all
here with
gonna
a
take
bag
2 hours to do this.
So-
Come on.
See, let me tell you something about Haitian culture.
So we get the cheaters who are not Haitian, who actually go and buy dough. All right, buy dough. That doesn't say dole, okay? Or dole.
Here's
It
the
is
thing.
dough. All right, this is not
If you go to any Haitian household, the key to our food is love. And I'll tell you why. Haitians put love and time into everything they make, and that's why our dishes are so delicious.
So we got the cabbage. We've got the cabbage. We've got both the shredded and the cut up.
Yep, and the slice.
And we're gonna
Then we're
take
gonna mix
half of the
A little bit
carrots.
not too much, just enough. Just nice color, gives you a little bit of color.
Then we're gonna add a teaspoon and a half each. Well, no, actually
A teaspoon.
like 1 teaspoon each of salt. And now the spicy. So these are Scotch bonnet peppers. They're super spicy, so you want to handle these with care. If you're doing this without gloves like we are, you want to make sure you don't get the seeds into your fingers because those can it's really hard to get them off. And they're super spicy and you don't want it in your eyes or anywhere else.
Okay, so we got a little color happening here.
Yeah, your spoon's over there.
Let's see, oh, there it is. It's hidden under all this foliage. Okay, so we have the cabbage, we have the carrots, we have a teaspoon of salt, and we have 1 Scotch bonnet. If you are a daredevil and you really like it even hotter, knock yourself out
Go for
and
it.
get another Scotch bonnet. Don't call me. I won't be coming to visit and coming over for dinner. Just saying. Okay.
But you should record it and send us a link. We'd love to see it.
I definitely want to listen. Put it on TikTok. I will definitely like it. Okay. All right.
Okay, so we are going to put it's a half a cup of water and a half a cup of vinegar each into our mix.
And that's it. So pour everything inside here. Yep, there you go. So we got some lethal things happening here. Not only the Scotch bonnet, but the Scotch bonnet with the vinegar. So can you imagine what is happening here formidably?
Say that word again. Say that word one more time.
Yep.
We're just gonna let that. So now that we've got all our elements, all our ingredients in there together, we're just gonna give it a stir. One thing you want to not do is put a metal spoon or utensil in there. And each time you go into your jar, try to use a plastic or wooden utensil, only because the metal will actually start to turn your vegetables and everything kind of brown.
Okay, so this is what you're looking at. So this is right now, it's spicy right now, but in a few days, and sometimes it could sit for like weeks, like literally, it could sit in the refrigerator for weeks. Just make sure it stays in the refrigerator. So there you have it. It's very simple. Thanksgiving is a time for lots and lots of food, and lots and lots of people love spicy food.
Absolutely, and it's a way for all. You know, we're both immigrant families, and Thanksgiving is something we all here in the United States celebrate, and as our cultures are here, we like to add our own flavor to the table as well. And this is definitely a hit.
Shaky, shaky.
Oh my God.
Let's see what's happening here.
Let me see.
I gotta get a whiff of this.
I see the Scotch bonnets are just all up in there.
That's right.
Yeah,
Love
right.
it.
Nah, y'all awesome. I'm not eating this right now, but y'all.
I actually don't want this for another like 3
You need it to stew.
I need it to marinate.
You need it to marinate.
Well done, my Haitian ladies.
You gotta bring the Haitian flavor.
And
All jokes
that's
aside, though,
we give you spicy.
this ain't the first Haitian I had. So. Yeah.
I'm putting Haitian on everything.
Let your mother see that.
Sorry, Mom.
Well done.
All right, yo, for real though, all jokes aside, this smells delicious, looks delicious, presents nicely. All about foods and dudes, baby, and we even let the ladies touch the knives. It's crazy.
Season 3, baby. That's how we do it. We keeping it.
Trisha, how your eyes? You good? You good? You good?
Cut! Alright. Well, that's it for this episode of Foods and Dudes. We'll see you next